Today we are going to make Karachi biscuits. They are also known as Hyderabadi biscuits. The main ingredients for the Karachi biscuits is the tutti frutti pieces, the elaichi powder or the cardamom powder, the pineapple essence, and if you wish you can add some pista pieces to it, or you can put them on the biscuits when you are baking it, so that it gives a nice look and texture. First we need 120 grams of maida for this, that is the all purpose flour which I have put in the measuring scale. Then we need baking powder which is half teaspoon. I am adding this baking powder to the maida. This is half teaspoon. I am measuring with the measuring spoons. Then we need 30 grams of custard powder. In 1 tablespoon we get 15 grams, so I will take 2 tablespoons from this. This is the custard powder. This is 15 grams. Then I am adding another 15 grams. You can also measure it on your measuring scale. We add this custard powder because it gives a very nice crunch to the biscuits. Now we will sieve all these dry ingredients in a bowl. My dry ingredients are sieved. Now we will take 60 grams of butter. The butter should be at room temperature. It should not be hard and direct from the fridge. In this we will add powdered sugar. Now I am taking 60 grams of powdered sugar, which I am measuring on the measuring scale. See, this is 60 grams of powdered sugar. Now I am mixing this sugar in the butter. I am also adding the pineapple essence to it. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of pineapple essence to it. You can even take half a teaspoon. 1/4, and again I am taking 1/4, that is half teaspoon. I have added half teaspoon of pineapple essence to it. Now we will mix both the sugar and butter till light and creamy. This process will take at least 3 to 4 minutes. Now you see it is becoming quite fluffy. The more fluffy this mixture, the crispier your biscuits will be. So don't be in a hurry. Always cream this mixture very nicely. This is the main step in any biscuit. Now it has become very fluffy, light and creamy. Now I will add the dry ingredients, that is the maida, the corn flour and the baking powder. When we do this, we will add little by little and mix lightly with the hand. We will keep on adding little by little. We do not have to knead it like atta. I am adding the rest of the maida to this. The mixture should be crumbly. It should not be very dry, nor should it be very wet. In the recipe I have written 2 to 3 tablespoon milk. But you see, I do not need any milk. Milk is used only if your dough is very hard. See, this dough now does not need any milk. It is a perfect dough for the biscuit. Now to this I will add the cardamom powder, that is the elaichi powder, which I have crushed, and these are the tutti frutti pieces, and you can add some pista or badam if you want. See, now my dough is ready. Now I am dividing this mixture into 2 equal parts. Now I have taken one part and I am rolling it in the shape of a cylinder. The second part also I am shaping in the shape of a cylinder. Now I have taken a cling wrap. If you do not have a cling wrap, you can use a clean plastic sheet also. I am putting one roll in this cling wrap. And now I am folding it. I have rolled it and the sides I have twisted. In the same way, I am doing the same thing with the other roll. Now I am going to keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes so that they become a little hard and I can cut them into pieces. After half an hour, I will take out the dough from the fridge. Before cutting the biscuits, I will put my oven to preheat and my kadai, which is on the stove, that also I will put to preheat. We will do the baking on the convection mode. See, I have pressed the convection mode. Now I have to select the temperature. I am setting it at 170 degrees centigrade. Now I will show you how I will make the biscuits in the kadahi. I have already taken a kadahi. I am putting it to heat. I am putting the gas on medium heat, and on this I have put a stand on which I will put the plate with the biscuits, and I am covering it and leaving it for 10 minutes to preheat on medium heat. After 30 minutes I have taken out the rolls, and now I will cut them. Try to cut them in equal pieces. Now we will give them a little shape with the hands. If you want to make the biscuits bigger, you can make a fatter roll. I have been able to make 18 biscuits of this size with that dough. Now I am putting the biscuits on this plate. Before putting it on the plate, if you have parchment paper, you can line it with parchment paper, or you can grease it a little bit with butter. When we place the biscuits, we will leave some gap, because when the biscuits are cooking, are baking, they will also rise and spread. Some biscuits I will put to bake on the gas in the kadahi. For this I am greasing this small tray, and now I am placing my biscuits on this. Now the preheating is finished, and so I will stop this and open the oven, and I will put this wire rack, and on the wire rack I will put my cookies. Now I have to set the time. I am setting the time for 15 minutes. But after 12 minutes, I will check my biscuits. Now I am putting these biscuits in the kadahi. When we put this tray, it should be in the center. There should be equal space around the kadahi. Now I am covering it and cooking it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. 12 मिनट हो चुके हैं और मैं अपने ओवन को स्टॉप करके बिस्किट्स को चेक कर रही हूँ. अभी ये बिस्किट्स और होंगे, इसलिए मैं इनको दोबारा रख दे रही हूँ. Fifteen minutes are over. Now I am opening the oven. My biscuits are almost done, but I think they need a little more browning. So I am putting them for some few minutes. Now I am checking these biscuits. They are not done, so I am keeping them again for 10 minutes. See, now I have baked them for 2 more minutes and they are looking so nice and golden brown. Now I will leave them to cool and then I will break and show you how crispy they are. After 15 minutes, now again I am checking my biscuits which are in the kadahi. They are done from one side, so I am flipping them so that they become brown on the other side also. And I will leave them like this for 5 more minutes to bake in the kadahi. The biscuits in the kadahi are also done and looking very nice. I am taking them out and then we will cool them. Now I will transfer the biscuits on the wire rack to cool. Now my biscuits have cooled down and I am putting them on the plate and now they are ready for my party. See, I will break one and show you. See how crispy and crunchy they have come out. In the same way, these biscuits, they are still cooling down. These we have made in the kadahi. They have got the same texture and the same color as the biscuits which were made in the oven. So the biscuits in the oven will take 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. But always be alert after 12 minutes so that you do not overbake your biscuits. In the same way, when you are baking in the kadahi, after 12 to 15 minutes, you flip over the biscuits so that they become brown on the other side also. And if you think that they need some more time, you leave them for some more time in the kadahi and they will become crisp on cooling. After the biscuits are done and they have cooled down, store them in an airtight container.